Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super practical for anyone in Algeria looking to send money to South Korea. Whether it's for family support, business deals, or just personal reasons, I'll walk you through the process step by step. It's easier than you might think, but there are a few key things to watch out for to avoid any headaches. First off, why send money internationally? Well, with the global economy, it's common to transfer funds across borders. From Algeria to South Korea, you'll deal with currency exchange from Algerian dinars, DZD, to South Korean won, KRW. So let's get into the methods. The most straightforward options include using online services like Wise or TransferWise, traditional bank transfers, or remittance companies like Western Union. Step 1. Choose your method. If you're going with Wise, it's often the cheapest due to low fees and real-time exchange rates. Sign up on their website or app, it's quick and secure. For bank transfers, visit your local bank in Algeria, like Banque d'Algeria affiliates, and they'll guide you through swift transfers. Keep in mind, this might take 1 to 5 business days and could have higher fees. Next, gather your requirements. You'll need a valid ID, the recipient's full name, bank details in South Korea, and possibly proof of your relationship if it's a large amount. Always check the current exchange rates and fees up front to avoid surprises. Use tools like z.com for that. Now, for the actual transfer. Once you've selected your service, input the amount, confirm the exchange rate, and complete the payment. With Wise, you can do this all online in minutes. If using a bank, fill out the transfer forms and wait for confirmation. A few tips to make this smooth. Compare fees across providers because they can vary. Wise or Revolut might beat banks. Also, be aware of any limits. In Algeria, there might be restrictions on large sums due to regulations. And always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and double-check recipient details to prevent fraud. Wrapping this up, sending money from Algeria to South Korea doesn't have to be complicated. Just follow these steps, stay informed on rates, and you'll be good to go. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.